Okay, again, the questions are very similar to the practice exam. There's slight variations on most of the questions. And let's see. We've got, well, what could we do? It looks like we're still doing u substitution, just like the last question. All right, let's try u is equal to sine of a. Derivative of sine is cosine. Okay, and we've got plenty of pieces to put everything back together. U to the 5th du becomes 1/6 u to the 6th plus c. Then you put all the pieces back together. And u is sine of a. There we go. B. Again, u substitution. Du is 2y dy. Good, we've got all those pieces. So we got du over u. And you take the integral, that you get natural log u plus c. So that's natural log of y squared plus 4. And we don't need the opposite value bars simply because y squared plus 4 will only be positive. I don't know why I'm having such trouble drawing rectangles. There we go. Question C. You had better be, I don't know, what should you be? Well, we could try square root of t, and that's a reasonable thing to try, and it's not going to work. Okay, so let's try something else. E to the square root of t, but it's also written t to the 1/2. So you may remember this one from the practice exam. That one actually didn't change. Okay, so we go ahead and take a derivative. So it's this e family. E is always its own derivative, but it kicks stuff out. In this case, it's going to take the derivative of that exponent, 1/2 t to the minus 1/2, and then dt. Does that work? Does it do any good? Maybe. Let's see. Let's assemble all these pieces and see if we got what we were hoping for. We get 1 over 2 square root of t, and let's see, upstairs we get e to the square root of t dt, just by magic. So all this garbage mess, well, one little thing, let's put the 2 over here. Other than the 2, everything came out perfectly evenly, so we're going to replace everything with simply 2 du. That's easy, because 2 du is just what? 2u. And you take the integral. 2 e to the square root of t plus c. That's it. That's the kind of problem that's much, much easier if you study first. And if you don't study, it's kind of hard. Math is like that. Okay. Question D. Very similar to the practice exam, but I changed the letter. U is 4x squared. Du is 8x dx. But I don't have an 8x dx, I just have x dx, so I put the 8 on the other side. And so then I put all the pieces back together. Du, 1/8. Sine of u Okay. Integral of sine is negative cosine. Okay. Just double check. It says double check to use differentiation. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. So yeah, the SIGN should flip. Okay. So your answer should be minus 1/8 cosine of, in this case, 4x squared plus c. And let's call that an answer. Okay.